So I gotta tell you, I'm super stoked about what came in today. So I'm doing a build for a modern, new era freestyle bike that's set up to look a little more old school, a little more my age. I'm about 6'2", 240, so everything's gonna be chromoly, heavy duty, and whatnot. About everything came from Amazon, and the bike came in today, and I literally just couldn't wait to open it, but I wanted to wait until I got home. None of my lighting's set up yet, so I'm sitting over here with this massive LED, so the future video and the build will be much better. So let's see what came in. I actually just had something come in, Razor. I just had something come in 5 minutes ago. I think there's some more shit that's coming in, and I haven't even opened the bike yet. The bike's gonna be nuts. This is not bike parts. This is for the hot tub, also not bike stuff. Oh, okay. All right, so the park toolkit came in because we just moved. A lot of my stuff is still in boxes, so I don't have the, I don't know where a lot of my stuff is at, so I had to get a chain kit. The SE Bikes chain tensioner came in. I need that. So something I'm really disappointed in, I ordered a set of Skyway Tuff mags. So this setup is a 24. I think the top tube on the bike, it's going to be a Redline. It's top tube, I think it's going to be 21.75. So, holy shit. So, the Skyway Tuff 24s came in, but very disappointed in shipping because this is exactly how they came in the box. There's nothing in the box. There's no padding. There's no nothing. There's a hole from the hub in it. I already threw the new Shimano freewheel on there. Went with something a little heavier duty, the chromoly. But one of my big disappointments, which by the way, when you're standing away from it, you don't see it. Look at the gouge. What the hell, people? No packing in there. And the other bike, the other wheel also. Christ, there it is. But seriously, some of you would say, hey, you should return it. Whatever. I'm gonna case this thing one time. They're gonna look twice as bad. Okay. Something else we're throwing on. I went with the Vans Cult. The white grips, extended. Because I'm over 240 pounds. We went with some heavy duty Black Ops. Solid, heavy as hell. They're I'm blind, check me out. I went with they're the lead foot axle pegs. Well, lead footed, 3/8. So if you're going old school, and you got the old style Tough mags, it's gonna be 3/8. It's not gonna be 14 mil on the rear. We went with some little blue dice valve caps. Went with, let's see, what do we got here? Cool Stop. Had to do white brake pads because white wheels. And Amazon. Normally I have no problem with them. Amazon. Pulled the frame wrong the first time. The wheels got lost the first time, had to order a second set. Ordered a KMC chain. They sent the wrong one, but you know what? This one works, so who gives a shit? So because I'm taller, I did buy a complete bike. I did buy a complete Redline, which we'll look at in a second. I haven't even opened it yet. I went with the SC bars, the SC Bikes bar, 9-inch rise. full chromo. So the ones that come on the bike I think are 7-inch, and I don't like leaning over. I like to ride for a while. So those are going on it. And I'm gonna do another video of the build anyway. So I just want you to see what's in the box. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna open the box. And this is another thing. So I was gonna do an old school build. I was gonna go like something like a Haro Master Freestyler or something like that. And all I could think is, I'm gonna break that stupid ass thing, and then I'm gonna be down the tubes $1,000+, and it's almost irreplaceable unless I find someone else that has one. So why not build a brand new bike and make it look old? So we went with the Redline Asset 24 in blue, and apparently you open it from the top. Try not to stick one of these massive copper staples through my finger like I did last time. Oh, fucking ecstatic, bro. Get the fuck out of the box. Obviously this doesn't look like anything, but it will very soon. The color's a little more than I thought it would be, but I'm pretty happy with it. At least I think I am. I have no idea, because look at all this shit it's wrapped in, bro. All right, I'm gonna get back to you in a minute. Actually, I'll probably speed this part up so you don't have to look at this shit, but you can listen to something good with a great little fucking jingle to it or something. All right, let's
into your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow, or it can crash. Be water, my friend. Let's get it.
Get the fuck off the floor. So it looks pretty good. I'm happy with the color because I like blue. If I'd gone with the Haro, obviously I would have done old school. I would have done some green, but I did do white mags. Tiny little modern day sprocket, yay. But tin tooth on the rear, and the Skyways are going 16, so we'll see how this thing pedals and picks up, right? Obviously I'm gonna have to make a few changes here and there, especially these little babies. And you know, it's not terribly heavy. You know, it's a full chromoly setup, so we will see. All the welds look really good on it. Everything looks tight. Color looks good. Integrated headset, sweet. Ecstatic that I went with 24s, because 20s would have looked tiny because I'm so used to riding a 29. So, and a 27.5. So, ecstatic. I'll be coming at you to show you some more shit. We'll get this thing together. I'll do a time lapse for you. We'll throw this thing together, and Probably gonna need to make a few changes along the way, and then I'll upload some of that. Some of the future stuff that's gonna be coming up. So we're gonna have some guests on and whatnot. We're gonna be doing, obviously this is the Rich Lives Life channel, so welcome to Rich Lives Life. We're gonna be doing whiskey tastings. We're gonna be going to the range. We're gonna be shooting the new Desert Eagle 50 cal, the lightweight, the L5. Actually, while we're out there, we're also gonna be shooting Smith & Wesson 500 that we have in the family, and some other stuff here and there. Blow some shit up or something, I don't know. But it's gonna be fun, and we're gonna have fun together, so later.